I got a swarm right here behind me. Want to see if we caught it and what we did to get it? We're going to show you right now. This week on Doomsday Preppers. Just kidding. This is Todd from Sniping, Rhino Ranch. Today's video, we actually had our bees swarm. We have 3 hives. Unfortunately, we didn't get the hives that we had ordered in time, and one of the hives has swarmed. So what we're going to try to do is catch this swarm. It's low enough where we can get it and hopefully put it in the box I have down here. But enough of me talking. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. Now I'm going to stop talking and get to the video because it actually hurts to talk right now. So what we've done is we've used some bungee cords to kind of get the branches out of the way. We've got the swarm right here. What we're going to do is we're going to put our brooder box that we're going to catch them with right here, and I'm going to try to bring this cedar tree down and shake it right over top of the brooder box. Not sure if it's going to work, but that's what we're going to try. Okay, that didn't work. So we backed the truck up. We've put a hive up here in the back of the truck. I'm going to just kind of pull it forward and knock it into here. And then what we'll do is we'll leave it, let it calm down, put everything back together, and there we go.
You want help?
So hopefully the queen got in there. If not, it'll fly away. But they're all starting to move into the box, so we'll see what happens. So I guess for now, it's a waiting game. Okay, it's been about half an hour. It looks like the bees have stayed in the box. I ended up picking a ton of grass. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up, just look inside and make sure there's a ton of bees in there. If there is, and it looks like we've got the queen, I'm gonna stop up the entrance, and then we're gonna move the hive to where we want it to be. So let's get to it. Okay, yeah, we got a lot of bees in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get the bees to go inside. I'm gonna stop up the entrance with this grass. So I got the entrance stopped up. Okay, we're going to reposition the camera, and then I'm going to carry this over. because they're so riled up, I'm going to give them a little bit to cool down before I pull this grass out. And a lot of it, they'll may be able to push out themselves. But anyway, a successful catch. We'll see what happens. We'll check it probably again later on this evening. Just make sure that we caught this swarm, but pretty excited. We're gonna start pulling this grass out. As you can see, it's just full of bees. So that was a successful catch of this swarm. So yesterday, one of our hives swarmed. We caught it in this box, and it's actually stayed inside the box. All the bees you flying around, I just actually did a split on the other hive, so they're all riled up. But what we're gonna do is, now that we've caught this this swarm, we're gonna put a top feeder on it, and we're gonna start feeding it sugar water. Oh yeah, it's just full of bees. So I'll just spray this smoke, and the smoke will cause them to go down inside. And this is just sugar water. Because this is a new hive, we want to help it out as much as possible, because it still has to build out all these frames. Now, you notice I have my inner cover out. I don't have to put an inner cover on here when I have the top feeder. So that's it. Now we'll check it every about week and a half, make sure everything's going well. The next big thing is to make sure they built out and the queen is laying eggs. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and leave a comment. Please don't make fun of my voice. I'm sorry, but I lost it. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. This is Todd from Sniping Rhino saying, have a great day.